To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. In this video, we will learn about subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. Subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns: me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronouns: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs.